school have performed well. People
Superintendent ki Pulit East KHASI Hills uba Sylvester Nongtnger. Ula pentip bahadu Hynriew Tylli ki Ejahar. Ladap ban Ujor bat ladap ru ban pak jingtip. Shiki Seng Bhalang hapok ke kendon lai pusan jongkaan Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. Nakadau bagi lapan long ya ke Jingkhynra work permit hakeleng ki Jaka jongkan ke district. USP ula ong ba baru ki sector officer ki OC bat ki IC. Haman lagi Jakarta jongki kilayok jeng peta bagi day ban pentikna ba on om don kinu ki jengja ki basosi nakadau jongki ni ki kam Khenra bean. Hagajuk ke porpat wat hapeng ke jengwan tuklar jongki Pulit ki Seng Bhalang ki lanang penjur syuk ya ke Jingkhynra ya ki kot kisla jongki nong bela barjela.
This few cases has been registered and investigation is on, and we always in East KHASI Police we always believe that we work as a team. We work as a team, and whenever incidents there, our team always be there, and we are trying our best to ensure that the safety and security of the people are much in the Shillong city and also in the rural area. 6 cases were registered in East KHASI, and of course no arrest, but notice were issued to the accused.
Ka dor bar shnong maulai mauro